Good morning, YouTube. I just want to do a quick video on this truck that we just painted. This is a 1989 F-250, and you'll never believe what we used, and you might already know if you're looking at this video. We rolled on Rustoleum paint, and this is actually one coat, and I'm sorry there's no light, no sun. It is a nasty day, even though it's the middle of April here in Chattanooga, but it is freezing cold. We actually had some snow accumulation up on the mountain, which is nuts. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick shot of how good this truck looks. I'll put some pictures in this video of what it looked like before. The paint was like literally gone, and this is just one coat of roll-on Rustoleum oil-based or enamel paint that we got from Walmart. And all we did was cut it 60-40 with mineral spirits, and we rolled it on. And the funny thing is, it took a little bit to get the mixture right. But what you want is when you roll it on, you want it to be pretty thin, and that way when there's runs, they're easily to go over and not have a problem. But it's just crazy. There is a nice reflection on this. I'm so sorry again, there's not much sun, but you can see nice reflection, very minimum orange peel look to it. It just turned out, it just blew our mind how great it looked. Easy job, cost less than $40. So this truck is actually, we want to do 3 coats, but it is getting shipped off to North Carolina today, so we didn't have the time to let the coats cure in between. If you really wanted a mirror finish, and we've seen people do this online, you just have to give it about 3 or 4 coats, wet sand it, and I think it'll look like a brand new truck. But anyway, we just pulled all the headlights, the grill off, the mirrors, we left the door handles and the lock on. You can see that we painted over the lock. It still works, but with it being chrome, I'm sure it'll chip off within time. So we were thoroughly impressed with the looks, and again, this is just a cheap Rustoleum paint job that we got from Walmart. Honestly, from 10 feet away, the truck looks brand new. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think. We also painted the ladder rack. This is going to be a work truck to haul a lawn care trailer, which it'll do perfect. Awesome truck, 5-speed manual, 351 Windsor. It's got a Tommy lift in the back. We didn't do the bed because, well, the bed looks awful. But like I said, it's a work truck. It's got diamond plates on the bottom. Tommy lift. Went ahead and just painted it. The gate too when we were back there. But anyway, yeah, this paint is just awesome. I wish you could see. I wish there was more sun so you can see the reflection, but you might be able to see a little of it. Anyway, yeah, so I'll show you guys. Let's go in here and we'll see some of the paint that we used. Alright, so this is the paint that we used, gloss white, Rustoleum protective enamel. You can get it from Walmart, much cheaper on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description where to get it from Amazon. And then we just went and bought a cheap rolling kit from Walmart that was $5. The mineral spirits were about 10. So all in all, we were under 40 bucks on this paint job, and we have gotten already lots of compliments from people driving the truck around. So anybody, no reason to drive around with primer or do a rattle can paint job when you can do something like this for, you know, 40 bucks, and it didn't take that long, and the results are just nuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll put some images of the truck before. You're gonna be blown away, and then as you saw it just now, looks great. If you like these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more of them, maybe a little DIY, also some vlog videos, and hopefully you guys can get an awesome looking Rustoleum paint job and not be rolling around in primer or a rattle can paint job. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, we'll see you later. Thanks a lot.